Scratch or store?
Scratch your store, scratch your store, scratch your store, beans!
Hey guys! Whoa, you're here, I'm here, it's Cook You Bastards! Woo! Hey, today I'm going to start a little something I'm going to call Scratch or Store. Hopefully it'll be kind of a regular feature. I don't know, let me know what you think. If this is worthwhile, I'll do more of these. Do you make something from scratch or do you buy it at the store? I just did red beans and rice, and today I'm going to do the bean part. Because in my opinion, a lot of the stuff you buy at the store is overprocessed, overpriced, and doesn't taste that good. You can usually, I'm going to say usually, we'll see how it goes, make it better yourself. It'll be cheaper, it won't take that long, it's going to taste a hell of a lot better, and it'll be better for you. So today, it's beans. Let's hit it. Okay, let's meet our competitors for today. On the left, a pound of dry beans that cost about $2. On the right, the can of the cheapest beans I could find, which cost about 90 cents. To keep it fair, I'm going to make my beans with the same ingredients in the canned ones, just water and salt. The canned beans get points for speed because all you have to do is dump them in a pot. Ugh, I hate that noise. Dry beans take a little longer, but probably not as long as you think. First, you have to clean them. Not like that. Beans grow in the dirt, so you have to rinse them first of all and make sure they don't have pebbles or little withered guys mixed in. Come here, you. The big myth about beans is that you have to soak them overnight. Nope. You can cook them straight up if you want. Of course, that's going to take you 5 or 6 hours. Some people believe that a little soak before you cook them makes you fart less when you eat them. I happen to be one of those people, and I fart enough as it is. So, I cover them with a couple of inches of water, add some salt, which some people think is a bad idea, but they're wrong. Go Google it. Bring them just to a boil, then turn off the heat and let them sit for about an hour and a half. By then, they're already starting to look kind of beany. The water's changing color, the beans are starting to hydrate. Cover them up and simmer them till they're done. Yeah, roughly another 90 minutes, maybe 2 hours. Don't full on boil them though, or you'll blow the skins right off. Just a nice, gentle, bubbly simmer. Okay guys, I'm down here in the Cook You Bastards tasting room for the moment of truth. We got the store-bought ones, we got the homemade ones. Store-bought ones, this is most of the can, which cost I think about 90 cents. Homemade ones, those 2 pounds, or the pound I guess it cost about $2. They made a vat of beans like this. So I got this at least 8 times over. So price-wise, homemade ones take it. If you look at them, these are the same red kidney beans. Store-bought ones, you see they're more red. The homemade ones are a little bit more brown. Same ingredients in these, just water and salt. One thing you'll notice, the store-bought ones, they have this water that they're in is kind of thin, kind of weak looking. Homemade ones have this nice brown like gravy, which is practically a soup in itself. Gotta go with homemade there. All right, let's taste them. Store-bought ones, they're pretty firm. You know, tastes like a bean, they're not bad. Perfectly serviceable. Texture, again, they're pretty firm. They're not mushy. Homemade ones, let's try these guys. Those actually have flavor. Those taste like, I mean, not meaty, but earthy, you know, good. Texture-wise is great. Obviously, if I cooked them longer, they would have been a bit softer. These still have a little bit of a bite. They're very comparable that way. But again, these also have this like gravy stuff, which is good just on its own. So for this one, I'm gonna give it to scratch because the homemade beans, they're a lot cheaper, super easy to make, and they taste a lot better. And I just cook these with water and salt so that I would match the store-bought beans. But with the homemade ones, you can throw in a bay leaf, you can cook it in stock, throw in some herbs, anything you want, and it's gonna just boost the flavor right through the roof. So Scratcher Store for the beans. Scratch wins. If you like this, please subscribe. I'm going to do more of these in the future, and let me know what you want to see. Like this video, hit the little button, leave comments, share it on social media, tell all your friends, shout it to the world, and see you next time. Cheers.